Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing well. Welcome to my next video. Today I am going to talk about transparency. Transparency is a big word, but it's a very important thing in our life to have within ourselves. So, don't you think transparency is required each and every day? So, let me give an example or let me relate. From these 2 years of pandemic, from 2020 till now, the purchasing power parity of an individual has gone down. I hope most of the people will agree with this. The purchasing power parity of a person has gone down, of an individual has gone down. So, in whichever product or services they are going to spend or they are spending, they want a quality product. Not only quality product, I guess. Because only giving them a quality product doesn't make them a long-term stakeholder for the business. Quality is the most important thing for a business. But with quality, there are many small points. Like joining the dots. And the last dot is quality. So, in that joining the dots, one of the dot's name is transparency. These big companies, these huge companies, these successful companies maintains transparency to gain trust, to gain longevity, to gain a concrete relationship with their stakeholders, with their clients, with their customers. So if you are giving a good quality product or service to a person, and with that, if you are giving a good transparency about the product and the business to that customer who is coming to buy any product or service from you, and if you are giving that transparency to them, don't you think that they will be there with you for a long time? I think yes. I think yes, because you are giving them the quality and you are also giving them the transparency. And it will have a positive impact. And when that person will go back to his or her place, कि हाँ भैया आज तो सामान खरीद के मज़ा भी आया, सामान भी अच्छा है और मुझे पता भी है कि वो सामान कहाँ से आ रहा है, वो सामान का मैन्युफैक्चरर कौन है, वो सामान कैसे आ रहा है मेरे पास मुझे पता है, और वो मैं उस बिजनेस को भी जानता हूँ. सो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अभी के डेट में पैसा खर्चा करना थोड़ी बड़ी बात है, लेकिन आई एम अ सेटिस्फाइड कस्टमर. As a business or as an entrepreneur, I think this kind of expression you want to see from your customers or buyers, right? And this huge company or good companies maintain this transparency. And I think in this real world, we are lacking this transparency. We are not getting this. So we thought of giving this value of being transparent to our buyers with the help of our platform. So I hope you guys will love this value or love this feature of giving a transparent world, a transparency to our buyers who will be buying their product or services from our platform. I hope you guys will think on this कि हाँ सामान तो मैं खरीदा, लेकिन भाई लेके भी मज़ा आया, क्योंकि मुझे पता है. अगर आप ही सोचिए, अगर आपको पता है कि वो बंदा, वो बिजनेस या जहाँ से भी आप जो सामान ले रहे हो उसके बारे में अगर आपको पता है तो in some part of your heart you will gain a confidence, because हाँ सही जगह से मैं सामान लिया, चलो कोई बात नहीं. So this kind of satisfaction we want to give to our clients in a new way, in a very new way, which has been never been done before. But we are trying to create value for our buyers, those who will buy from our sellers. So we want to create this value so that those buyers be a concrete, or buyers stay connected with the sellers and with us. But till the time, if I am not able to create that, please let me know with your suggestions, feedbacks, so that I can enhance it. I can make it more transparent. And after the launch, I hope we are going to give our buyers a transparent world. So thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Jai Hind.